There are moments when exhaustion doesn't come from what you've done, but from what you continue to carry inside, conversations replayed, pressure you can't control, expectations that didn't unfold the way you hoped. Over time, that invisible weight slowly drains your energy and dims the sense of presence that once felt natural. If this feels familiar, you are not alone. Many people were never taught how to release the day once it has ended, and without that ability, the mind continues working long after the moment is finished. A Stoic approach to nurturing your inner self begins with something simple you can practice starting today. At the end of your day, pause for one quiet minute, not to judge the day, not to analyze every decision, just to notice what you are still holding. Ask yourself gently, is there anything here I can act on right now? If the answer is yes, write the smallest next step you will take tomorrow. If the answer is no, allow that thought to finish its visit instead of carrying it forward into the next day. This small daily practice begins to teach your mind something powerful. Not every thought needs to stay overnight. As you repeat this, something subtle begins to change. You wake with a little more space in your mind. Your reactions soften. Your attention becomes clear because it is no longer crowded by everything that already passed. What people often describe as a youthful glow is not created by appearance alone. It is the result of lighter internal weight, the calm presence that appears when the mind is not constantly replaying yesterday while trying to manage tomorrow. Every moment you choose to release what no longer serves you, you restore a small portion of your energy. And over time, those small restorations create visible steadiness, patience in conversations, clarity in decisions, and the quiet confidence that comes from knowing you are no longer carrying more than you need. You do not need dramatic change to renew yourself. You only need a daily moment of awareness, noticing what to carry forward and what to gently set down. And with practice, that simple habit becomes a source of strength, helping you move through each day with a calmer mind, steadier presence, and the kind of inner light that comes from living with less internal strain. Subscribe if this message helped you feel a little steadier, and leave a comment sharing one thing you're choosing to set down today.